Hello friends, welcome to the Expiry Update podcast at Kotak Securities. This is Sahaj Agrawal, Head of Derivative Research. So from the medium term perspective, Nifty trades with the positive bias with support placed at 16,440 spot closing levels. This level is valid for the entire June series as long as we don't close or breach this on a closing basis. For the short term, the momentum remains rather neutral with no directional bias seen. Banking is expected to remain rather weak or expected to underperform as we've seen some selling pressure over there from the positional perspective. Now let's look at some option related pointers for the expiry. As we've mentioned that the medium term support is placed at 16,440. This level holds good for the June series, and as long as we do not breach the same, we would maintain a rather broader positive bias for the medium term. Considering the short term, Nifty broke its support level of 16,520, and from a directional positive bias, now the stance remains rather neutral. From the open interest build-up perspective, 16,300 and 16,500 put options have seen significant open interest build-up, whereas 16,700 and 17,000 call options have significant open interest build-up. From the Bank Nifty perspective, 35,000 put and 36,000 calls have maximum open interest build-up. The FI and Pro segment have witnessed addition in net short positions in the index option segment, whereas in the index futures segment, both the Pro and FI segment have seen reduction in net long positions. So there's some mixed activity seen over there. So broadly for the expiry day, we believe there's a high possibility of a range bound movement with the range placed at 16,300 and 16,700. And as we approach the expiry, possibly we could narrow this range further. But at this point of time, we believe this range should hold good. Thank you and have a nice trading session.